Pick up the rug. There's the rug. Around these barrels. Nice. Nice little drift we're going through right here. Nice. Yep. There. Well, we're fogging up the big man over here. Side of it one. Look at that. Corner. Yeah, that's a pretty good size drift right here. Woo! Motor's right through it. Got that.
Okay, so while I got the Toolcat warming up right over there, lost my voice almost because I'm half sick, but so last night I was able to get all this pushed, and it doesn't look like it drifted in real bad, but let's just walk up the driveway here. And I had to come out here this morning and tell my neighbor to quit moving snow because for some, he didn't think that I had any equipment to move snow. So that was, I told him I really appreciated him doing that, but I was hoping to come out and make a video. So, let's see. Yeah, this is pretty deep through here yet. So good, he didn't get much of that. Looks like he got, oh, did he get the whole road coming down? Yeah, this is a pretty good sized drift here. Yeah, he just had a big tractor, so we'll come back and clean up a lot of this, get it pushed back, and see how the Toolcat does. But I already know it does awesome. So this morning I had to, before I went out there, I had to clean out the screen that goes over the there's a screen that goes over your radiator that catches all the debris and stuff. So it was clogged full of bean dust, field debris, stuff like that. So I vacuumed that all out, got it looking good. Now I think the Toolcat will be ready to go. The Toolcat did amazing. She earned a spot over the drain. I just moved my truck over to the spot where there's no drain, where I usually park the Toolcat, but I'm gonna let all this stuck snow melt off of it and run down the drain. But man, this thing is awesome. Compared to the tractor, it's there were drifts in this snowstorm again that the tractor wouldn't have been able to touch. So not without a bunch of extra work, and just having the heated cab was all the difference, because when I went out today, it was supposedly felt like -1 with the wind. So excellent purchase, excellent tool for snow removal. Love the angle plow. It works great. Yeah. Okay, that's going to do it for this one. Thank you guys for watching so much. I really appreciate it. If you haven't hit that subscribe button already, please hit the subscribe button. If you haven't hit the like button, hit the like button. Leave me a comment below about asking me any questions about the Toolcat that you want. I've owned it now for going on 2 years. Using it for all kinds of projects around the house and snow removal. Any questions on it? Leave them in the comment below. Thanks for watching again. We'll see you on the next one.